Hi everyone, welcome to Legally Yours. Today we're here with Linda Widdup from Linda Widdup Consulting, and we're here to learn a little bit about the unique service that Linda can actually provide to law firms on the PPSA. So thanks for joining us, Linda.
Thank you.
Okay, so you're known as the PPSA Princess, and you've written a book and you're an expert in this area, and you've obviously helped implement it and looked at it in Canada, New Zealand and now Australia, correct?
Correct.
Okay, great. So what are you actually offering for law firms who potentially have this type of issue that's come up with one of their clients? What can you do to actually help them, and what's your consulting service in that regard?
Yeah, so what I do is I provide advice on PPSA issues that come up in their practice. So rather than them sort of coming to grips with this legislation themselves, which a lot of lawyers want to avoid anyway because it's a 343 section monolithic piece of legislation that is hard to really get together. So I know all of it. I know how the case law has been interpreted, how the legislation has been interpreted in Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. So I can hit the ground running for them so they can provide an efficient and cost-effective service for their clients.
And how does it actually work? Because you don't necessarily have to be sitting in front of the client. You can actually sort of almost sit off to the side. So I think the way you describe it is you can help the law firm help their client. Is that correct?
Yeah, exactly. So I help the law firm help their client. I'm in the background. I don't have client contact. I just work essentially with the lawyer. So really I'm a member of their team. So if they have a project that involves a PPSA issue, they just bring me in and my work product is their work product.
Okay, fantastic. And how is it different, I guess, if they were to brief a barrister for this specific advice to actually have you doing an expert advice on it as well? Is there any sort of advantage of them coming to you?
Yeah, I think so, because again, it's like I'm part of their team, so there's not that traditional structure, and I think it works better this way because it's just a new way of offering legal services, I think, and I think it's efficient.
That's right.
The other thing that I do that barristers don't is I do transactional work as well.
Okay.
So for example, if a law firm has mergers and acquisition going on, and there's a finance piece, and I'm just one of their team who takes care of the finance piece, so I'll draft the documents, do the PPSR registrations for that particular piece.
Okay.
So it's a different offering from what a barrister
Absolutely.
provides.
And you do it fixed fee as well into the law firm. Brilliant. So the other thing I know you're really passionate about, because you have been an academic, is that you like to pass on your education and educate teams in law firms on what it is with the PPSA. So tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, so I've had law firms. This started out just a law firm asked me to come in-house, develop 5 or 6 different 1-hour sessions and roll them out for them. So I started doing that just because this law firm asked me to do it, but I was able to sort of package those up and offer them to other law firms. But I'll also go in, I do this quite often, is to, I guess we could call it a lunch and learn. So it'll be, and many law firms are CPD accredited, so they haul me in, their clients, in-house clients come to the session, get their CPD points, and I offer a crash course on PPSA for them and an opportunity for them to ask whatever burning PPSA questions they may have.
Fantastic. So if you're a law firm sitting out there and you have a burning and a need for a PPSA crash course, head to our website at legallyyours.com.au and we can introduce you to Linda. Thank you so much for joining us, Linda, and welcome to the Legally Yours family. It's so lovely to have you on board.
Great to be here.
Great, thank you.